In Hawthorne and Chestnut class this week, we've been looking at long division. So I thought I'd talk you through how we do long division in school, because I know it's very different from how I did it and probably different from how you've done it as well. So these are the steps that we follow when we're doing long division. The first step is to find the multiples of the divisor, this number. Then we divide, multiply, bring it down. So I'm going to show you how we do that, starting off with the multiples. So to find multiples of 42, we need to find the first 9 multiples. So we get children to write out these. This helps them remember the numbers that they're going to put in later on, so it's really useful to write out those. And then they write out their 42s. Now, if they don't know their 42 times table, we have a little way of solving it. So we partition 42 into 10s and 1s. So we've got 40 plus 2. Then what the children do is multiply those by each of these numbers as we go along. So 40 times 2 is 80, 40 times 3 is 120, and so on. Then we do the same again for the 2, so 2 times 2, 2 times 3, and we put our add sign between them as well. Then we just need to calculate the answer to each of these, and that gives us our 42 times tables. So these are the multiples of 42. Obviously, if children can just work that out in their heads, that's brilliant, and they can absolutely do that. This is just what we do for children who find it a bit tricky to work it out in their heads. So now we move on to the actual division. We need to write it out into our bus stop first of all. So we draw our bus stop. The number that gets to the bus stop first gets to wait inside. And the number that gets there late has to wait outside. Then what we need to do is divide 56 divided by 42. So I look, how many 42s can I fit into 56? I can only fit one 42 in. So I write my divide at the top, 1. Then I need to multiply 1 times 42, and I write that underneath. Then finally I need to, I missed out a step. I need to subtract. So I subtract here, and this helps us work out our remainder. 6 take away 2, 4, 5 take away 4, 1. Then our next step, bring it down. We take the next digit and bring it down. Then we start again. Divide 144 divided by 42. I can fit 3 in, so I write 3 up here. 3 42s are 126. Then I do the step that I forgot, subtract. Then, final step, bring it down. I take that digit, because I've still got a digit left, and I bring it down. Then, start again. Divide 189 divided by 42. 4. 4 times 42, this is our multiplied step. 4 times 42 is 168. And then subtract. Then I go to the beginning again and I divide. 21 divided by 42. This is when we see that we can't do that anymore. So we write that as a remainder. So I just underline that and we write 134 up here, which is our answer already. And I put in remainder 21. And that's our total.